Hi everyone, I am Nur Alam. You are watching TechRound YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you can use 2 or 4 WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. It is very simple. You can do it in just a few steps, and you can use 2 or 4 WhatsApp accounts in a single mobile phone with different numbers. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to use only 2 WhatsApp accounts in your mobile phone, you don't have to install any third-party app. You can do it just by installing a second WhatsApp called WhatsApp Business. You can use simple WhatsApp and business WhatsApp simultaneously in your mobile phone with different phone numbers. But if you want to use more than 2 WhatsApp accounts, you can do it by installing a third-party app called Parallel Space. So I will show you how to do it. First of all, go to Play Store, and here you have to search Parallel Space. Now install this app. Now open this app. Click on agree and continue. The big benefit of this app is that you can also use other apps in two different apps in the same mobile phone. Like Facebook, you can use 2 accounts of Facebook. Chrome, Instagram, Gmail, YouTube, whatever you want. You can use them simultaneously in one mobile phone with different accounts. But here we will talk about WhatsApp only, so I will uncheck all other apps. I want to just add WhatsApp in Parallel Space. Click on accept. Here you can open WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp is for 64-bit. It works only if you have installed Parallel Space 64-bit support. Please go install Parallel Space 64-bit support. No, we will need to install 64-bit support app for Parallel Space. Click on install and install it. No, you don't need to click it to open. Just go back. Click on grant. Click on agree and continue. And here you can create a new WhatsApp account with different number. If you want to add another app, click on add app. And you can add WhatsApp Business here as well. Uncheck other apps. Check WhatsApp Business and click on add to Parallel Space. Now you will see 2 WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Simple here. You can create a new account on WhatsApp Business. Here you can create a new account. In this way you can use 4 WhatsApp accounts. 2 are here that are on your home screen and 2 will be inside Parallel Space app. Click on Parallel Space app. Click on Continue to App Parallel Space. Here you have 2 accounts for WhatsApp. You can create new accounts on both of these WhatsApp and then open Parallel Space to use these accounts. That was all in this video. If you like this video and want to get more videos like this, don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.